Hey there, Steps to Diet family. Are you struggling to stay motivated on your diet journey? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science of motivation and sharing practical techniques to rewire your brain for diet success. So, let's get started. The science of motivation. First, let's talk about dopamine. This feel-good neurotransmitter plays a crucial role in motivation. When we achieve a goal or experience something pleasurable, our brain releases dopamine, making us feel great and motivating us to repeat the behavior. This is called reward-based learning, and it's a powerful tool for diet motivation. The power of goal setting. To harness the power of dopamine, we need to set SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," try, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by following a balanced diet and exercising 3 times a week." This clear, actionable goal will help keep you motivated and focused. Visualization techniques. Visualization is another powerful technique for boosting motivation. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your diet goals. Picture yourself looking and feeling healthier, fitting into your favorite clothes, and enjoying the benefits of your hard work. Practice this visualization daily to keep your motivation high. The role of positive affirmations. Positive affirmations can also help rewire your brain for success. Repeat phrases like, "I am in control of my eating habits," or, "I am committed to my health and well-being." Say these affirmations out loud or write them down daily to reinforce your motivation and commitment. Building healthy habits. Creating healthy habits is essential for long-term diet success. Start by identifying unhealthy habits you'd like to change, like snacking on junk food or skipping meals. Then, replace them with healthier alternatives, like reaching for a piece of fruit or planning regular, balanced meals. The power of social support. Diet goals with friends, family, or online communities. Having a support system can provide motivation, encouragement, and accountability, making it easier to stay on track. You can also find workout buddies, join group challenges, or participate in online forums to connect with others who share your goals. Conclusion. So there you have it, Steps to Diet family. By understanding the science of motivation and applying these practical techniques, you can rewire your brain for diet success. Remember to set SMART goals, practice visualization, use positive affirmations, build healthy habits, and seek social support. We believe in you, and we're here to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Steps to Diet for more tips and advice on your diet journey. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay motivated and keep taking those steps towards a healthier, happier you.